What if showing up gets you detained? You show up to court. You follow the law. You do everything right. And ICE is waiting for you at the door. No warning. No notice. Just come with us. This isn't rare. It's real. And it's happening right now in U.S. immigration courts. Let's break it down. What's going on? Across major cities, something chilling is unfolding. Immigrants are being detained right after their court hearings. Not at the border, not at home, at court. Here's the twist: it's completely legal. And it's leaving families shocked and unprepared. DHS and ICE, a silent collaboration. DHS attorneys are now working closely with ICE. During court, they ask judges to dismiss cases. That may sound harmless, even good, but it's not. Once a case is dismissed, the person loses court protection. ICE steps in, and detention begins. It's happening in cities like New York, and it's spreading. Why dismiss a case? The reason is strategic. If someone has been in the U.S. less than 2 years, they can be placed in expedited removal. Normally, that's not possible while someone is in immigration court. The court gives them rights,
Time.
options. But once DHS dismisses the court case, ICE can remove them fast, without a judge, without a bond hearing, and often without warning. Real example from a lawyer. Here's what happened in one case. DHS asked to dismiss a client's case in court. The defense attorney requested a 10-day delay to talk with a client. The judge agreed. As they left the courtroom, ICE officers were waiting outside. But since the case wasn't dismissed yet, ICE had to back off. That client walked away for now. But they know what's coming next hearing. The moment the case is dismissed, ICE will be there. They're waiting outside the door. This strategy isn't just about paperwork. It's physical. In some courtrooms, ICE officers are literally outside, waiting for names, faces, case dismissals. No courtroom drama.
No scouting.
Just quiet, fast detention. Why not skip court then? Some people might think, if showing up gets me detained, why go? That's dangerous. If you skip immigration court, the judge issues a removal order in your absence. That order gives ICE full authority to detain and deport you.
No hearings.
No second chances. You lose eligibility for most immigration benefits, maybe permanently. What is expedited removal? It's a fast-track process for deportation. No need for a full hearing. No opportunity to apply for asylum or legal relief. Just a form signed by an ICE officer. If you've been in the U.S. less than 2 years, you're at risk. And now, DHS is using courtroom dismissals to trigger it. Court isn't the only risk. Even ICE check-ins aren't safe anymore. Immigrants with active court dates are being detained at check-ins too. What happens next? Lawyers believe ICE may transfer their case from a non-detained docket to a detained one. Ask a judge to dismiss the case. Then start expedited removal. It's hard to prove, but it's happening. The pressure of being locked up. Let's talk about reality. When you're free, fighting your case feels possible. But detention changes everything. You're cut off from your family. You lose your job. You sit in a cell, waiting. After weeks or months in detention, many people give up. Even if they have a strong asylum claim. Even if their life is in danger back home. They ask for voluntary departure, just to get out. ICE knows this. This is not new, but it's getting worse. Some lawyers call this detain-to-deport. It's a tactic meant to pressure people into leaving quickly. In the past, it was rare. Now, under Trump's 2025 policies, it's becoming routine. More check-in arrests. More surprise detentions at court. More court dismissals used as traps. All while appearing perfectly legal on paper. So what can you do? You must take this seriously. Here's how to protect yourself. Always attend court with a lawyer. If DHS tries to dismiss your case, ask for a continuance. If ICE is waiting outside, don't go alone. Document everything: court notices, ICE paperwork, names of officers. Know your rights.
Fast.
If you've been in the US less than 2 years. This applies especially to you. Expedited removal laws apply to people without valid visas, with less than 2 years of physical presence in the US. If that's you, DHS can skip court entirely. They just need to dismiss your case, then ICE takes over. Share your story. Have you, or someone you know, been detained after a court hearing? Were ICE officers waiting after a dismissal?
We want to hear about it.
Drop your story in the comments. We're building a real-time list of what's happening and where. This helps others stay informed and helps us make better videos. Final thoughts. This strategy is about pressure, not justice. It creates fear, uncertainty, silence. And it's working. Families are skipping court. People are self-deporting. Asylum claims are being abandoned, all without the public even noticing. At BorderDrip USA, we'll keep watching and reporting, so you can stay one step ahead. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.